Alright, let's walk through how to set up your Trust Wallet from scratch and get it ready to use. First, make sure you've downloaded the latest version of the Trust Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. This ensures you have all the newest features and security updates. Once the app is installed, open it up and select Create a New Wallet. You'll be guided through the setup process, including creating a secure backup for your wallet. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Trust Wallet will show you how to safely store your recovery. Before you can start using your wallet, if you already have a crypto wallet from another app, no worries. Instead of creating a new one, tap on I already have a wallet and follow the steps to import it into Trust Wallet. Next, you'll need to make sure you have Ethereum ETH in your wallet. ETH is used to pay for gas fees and interact with different protocols on the Ethereum network. There are a few ways to get ETH into your wallet. You can buy ETH directly through Trust Wallet, deposit ETH from another wallet or exchange, or even swap other cryptocurrencies you already have into ETH right inside the app. Once that's done, you're all set. Your wallet is ready to go, and you can start exploring everything Trust Wallet has to offer.